Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're talking about nails. You guys know I'm obsessed with doing my nails. I'm obsessed with polishes, press-ons, all of the above. So today I'm going to tell you guys how I do my own customizable, I guess you could say, press-ons. And I'm going to show you guys what I use and what I think is good, and I'm going to leave all the links down below. But before we get started, I do want to invite you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Also, if you could give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, that would be super helpful and really great. And then leave any comments down below if you guys have any questions or anything like that, or suggestions. I'm here for the suggestions. Also, I am going to tell you guys what is on my nails right now. As for colors, I have so many new gel colors, you guys, from Nail Addict. If you've seen my other nail videos, you know how obsessed I am with the Nail Addict gel polishes. They have the best colors, the best payoff, and they wear so well on me. So I'm excited. I have two boxes of polishes to show you. Okay, before we get into the haul, I do quickly just want to tell you guys what I use to do my own press-ons. So you can actually buy clear nails on Amazon if you want to, and I've tried so many different kinds. I will leave everything linked down below for you guys. Super affordable. Sometimes you need something affordable, and if you're like me, I love to change it up a lot, and I like to choose my own colors. I like to paint my own nails as well. So if you want to paint your own designs and styles, then this is perfect for you. I'm also going to be doing a little demo of what I did on my friend's nails later in the video, so stay tuned because I used some of the new Nail Addict colors that I did receive. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But anyway, these right here are press-on nails. Now, they are a clear nail that I purchased off Amazon, and you can get a whole pack of them. There's a bunch of different sizes. There's a bunch of different shapes as well. So if you prefer stiletto or coffin or square or round, I will leave everything linked down below of all the different shapes as well, but I particularly went with a square shape this time, like a longer square shape. I think these were originally a coffin shape, but I just shaped them down to like whatever I felt like doing, and that's how they turned out. So, and I'm doing like a fun multicolored type of mismatchy nail moment here. But yeah, these started off as plain clear plastic nails, and then of course I just glued them on. The static nails, the nail glue is hands down my favorite, so I love it as well because it is a brush on. Again, the Kiss one is good, but this one just seems to last so much longer for me, and yeah, love this one. I'll link that down below if you guys want to check that out. I probably paid maybe $12 to $15 for like a whole case of nails. Again, bunch of different sizes. This one is a more like stiletto almond type shape, and then I did get these, which these are what I'm wearing today, but they are completely clear and they are a coffin shape. Now, I wish these came in a container like this. This one's really old, but this just came in little baggies, and all of them are numbered. So once you figure out your perfect fit, just write down your sizes and you can just refer back to the little baggies. This has lasted me so long, you guys, and you get tons of nails. Super affordable if you love painting your nails and doing designs like I do. All right, so really quick, I'm gonna show you guys the new Nail Addict gel colors that I got. I am so hyped about these. Let's move these over. Okay, so I'll show you guys the colors that I'm wearing right now first. A staple color I think everybody should have for summer is a white. White nails are very in. They make you look very tan, and they just match with everything. It's just like a very clean look. So white is definitely a necessity. I love the Nail Addict one because it is so opaque. Sometimes you'll get a white and it's very sheer, and that just drives me crazy. So shiny, so opaque, love it. 2 coats is all you need. And yeah, so I got this one. It's called White Addict. And then the next color, the green that I'm wearing right here, I don't know what it is. Lime green was just like, it jumped out to me when I saw it on the website, and I was like, I need that. I've never been into lime green before, but on my nails, I'm kind of obsessed with it. And I think it might be one of my favorite summer colors, including this one right here. So this is called Second Chance, and it's the perfect lime green shade. Again, these are all gel, so you will have to cure them under an LED light, but I will link everything for Nail Addict down below. They also carry lights if you want to purchase it. Oh, and I totally forgot. I have a coupon code for them. So it's 45% off your entire purchase of, I believe, 2 polishes or more. And you guys, it's such a good deal. I'll leave all the information down below. And then this color, it's called Electric Red. It is literally like a neon jelly red. Like, it's not sheer, like a sheer jelly, but it's like a neon jelly color, and I love it. Look how cool it looks. I know we have like watermelon vibes going on with my nails, but I love it. I think it's so cool. And yeah, that's Electric Red. So these are the 3 colors that I'm wearing right now. Oh, I'm so in love. Okay, I also did get black, the Black Addict one, pure black. And then we have Sugar Magnolia right here, which this one I will demo in just a second. I did this on one of my girlfriends and we recorded it, so I will demo this one. And then I also demoed this one because we did a multicolor on her nails as well. And I demoed this one as well. It's called Text Me Later. These are so pretty. So pretty together, like neutral but still bright for like spring and summer. Okay, this one here is called Temptation. This is like just the perfect like bright like baby pink. Oh, it's so good. I can't wait to wear this. I also love these gel polishes for my toes. If you guys don't do gel polish on your toes, you're doing it wrong. It lasts so long. Anyway, this one here is called Hottie Me, which is more like a medium pink, I would say. Oh my gosh, it's such a vibe. I love this one. Don't have any color like this. All right, so those are the ones that I actually picked out. Nail Addict did send me these, and obviously I do have a coupon code like I said. But then I got another package which I wasn't expecting from them, and apparently I think this is their new colors. This color right here is called Oh Honey. I haven't looked at these yet, so let's react together. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. This is like an orangey nude. Okay, I'm always down for a nude. This one looks so cool. Quartz Rose. Is this like a lavender maybe? Oh, it's a light, like cool toned purple. That's really nice. Okay, this one here is called Tuscan Sun. It's like a deeper burnt orange. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is going to be so pretty for the fall. I don't think I would wear this in summertime. Maybe I will. I don't know. Who am I to say? This is another red called Cherry Soda. Cherry Soda, let's see. Oh, this is like a candy apple red. Like, this is a bright red. Love that. This here is Bora Bora. So pretty. I love this teal. I've always been a teal girl, so I'm definitely, oh yep. Yes, this is going to be so fun. I might do this color next. Stay tuned for my budget videos, because I always show my hands and my nails in my budget videos, and a lot of you guys love seeing what color I wear. Okay, this one, so, Underground. What is this, like a green? Oh, it's a gray. Okay, again, fall vibes in my opinion, but super pretty, like a grayish green. And then this is a glitter. This is called Diamonds for Breakfast. Okay, I actually don't have too many of the Nail Addict glitters. I love their solid colors, but let's see. Oh, this has like a purpley holographic iridescent to it. It's like purpley silvery. Interesting. I'm not a huge fan of glitters, but definitely I will give that a try someday, I'm sure. I'm so excited for all of these colors, and yeah, I'm going to stop talking now. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick nail polish haul. So yeah, let's just get into the demo that I did with my friend, and I'll see you in a second. right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the nail haul and demo and my process of how I do my customizable DIY nails. Super affordable, you guys. Check out the clear press-ons on Amazon. All the links are down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!